Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets, numbers and 2D shapes. First we are writing and draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. And the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now we draw E. The next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1 and the next one is 2. Kids, now we draw the number of 3 and the next one is 4. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids, now we draw 2D shapes. First we draw the shape of square. The next one is circle. Now we draw triangle. And the next one is heart. Kids, now we draw star. The shape of star. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we are using yellow color. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are using yellow color. The next one is circle. Kids, now we are using green color. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. Now we are using again green color. The next one is heart. Now we are using red color. Kids, now we are using red color. The shape of heart. The last one is a star. Now we are using blue color. Today we coloring 2D shapes, draw numbers and alphabets. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.